Hello guys, and I'm gonna make a triple bundled crinkles. So look, I made two of them. I call this crinkle with Nutella sprinkles. So this is how to make it. Get one crinkle, get a spoon, get this. So you have to also get this so that you're gonna make my triple bundled sprinkle. It's like this. Mostly, you have to avoid putting sprinkles when there's no Nutella. If there's Nutella, put the sprinkles there. Aim the shot, not to put it in the one having no Nutella. So, sometimes spread it when there's too many. It's like this too. You get a bit of mess. And the last one. Now this is my triple bundled crinkles. And subscribe to my channel. Click the bell if I'm making more videos. Bye!